Hello everybody, this is the iPhone channel here. Over here are two iPhone 16es. This one is white and this one is black. And why not? I'd actually unbox it. So over here it is. As you guys can see, white 16E. And over here is the black 16E. And yes, I'm now going to open both of them. So over here is actually the wrapping. Okay, this is actually the white one, and here is the black one. Okay guys, yes, as you guys can see, there's actually a single camera lens on the 16E, and let me peel this off. And why not? Let's start the phone. Yes. I'm actually gonna brush this off to the side and turn this on as well. And as you guys can see, there is no dynamic island. Instead, there's actually the notch, just like what's found on a 14. But let's take this aside. And over here, the USB-C to USB-C cables. Unfortunately, there's no more lightning. Lightning has been discontinued. And in here, you would actually find the owner's manual. Over here, the iPhone. And unfortunately, there are no more stickers. Just like what I show you guys on the 16 unboxing. So why not? I'd set it up and I'd see you guys soon. After setting both the phones up, here are the two phones over here. As you guys can see, single camera. And there's actually an action button over here. As you guys can see, no camera button, unfortunately. Let me show you guys, there's no camera button. And the glass is actually kind of different. Instead of being the glass on the 14, it is actually the matte glass, kind of like the iPhone Pro series and the iPhone 15 and 16 lineup. So over here it is. As you guys can see, a single camera, 6.1 inch screen, as well as USB-C over here. And you can find Apple Intelligence as well. So thank you guys for watching. Please give a big thumbs up, subscribe for more videos. And I'd show you guys the full review soon. So thank you guys. This is just a quick impressions and unboxing.